Hi everyone, I'm Jen with Makers Mercantile, and I am here to show you our newest June Sock of the Month box. I know, I can't believe it's June 9th. So let's open this baby and see what we've got. First of all, box is red because all of our boxes are red. It's very exciting when you see the red box show up with the postman. Inside, the first thing we find is a joke, because Kyle loves his jokes. I'm not going to spoil it, and you will get to see the joke when you get your box. The next thing we have is packing paper, which is nice because it keeps our stuff from sliding around. We also have candy. My personal favorite candy is saltwater taffy, which is in this month's box. I would not share this candy, but it's your box, and if you want to be kind and share, you can do that, or you can be like me and keep it for yourself. We also have something really special in this month's box, and it's a needle. I know you're thinking, why is a needle special? I'm going to tell you. These needles are teeny tiny, and I'm not talking about the size of the needle. I'm talking about the cable. So in each box, we have included a Skacel Turbo by Addy needle. They're going to come in two different sizes. You're either going to receive a size 0, which is a 2 millimeter, or you're going to receive a size 1, which is a 2.5 millimeter. Both of these needles are still going to be an 8-inch needle. And what that means is you've got this tiny little cable. These needles are really special because they enable you to knit a sock in the round, all in one go. So like you knit a hat or anything else, you can knit in the round on a sock on this needle, which is amazing. So if you're not a fan of double points, or you don't really like the magic loop, this will totally change your sock game. That being said, not everybody loves to knit socks on an 8-inch needle, and that's okay, because this thing is phenomenal for cables. You slide it in just like a normal cable needle, you put your stitches on the cable, and this is going to stay in place. You're not going to have to worry about your stitches sliding off, and then you just knit right off it. So brilliant cable needle, even better tiny circular needle to knit in the round. Like I said, every box is going to include a needle, and you're either going to get a size 0, 2 millimeter, or a size 1, 2.5 millimeter, depending on the box. Brilliant. You're going to love this. It's amazing. I will also say that when you fall in love with your 8-inch needle, you can get them in bigger sizes, and you can use them for sleeves. So, helpful hint from me to you. Get a full set. But enough about the needle. There's also yarn, because there's always yarn in the sock box. So in this box, we have jeans ball. We love this yarn. And this yarn is 75% strong quality superwash and 25% nylon. You really want that nylon in your socks. It's going to give your sock extra durability, and so if you've ever worn hand knit socks, you know that your heel rubs against the back of your shoe. That nylon will give extra durability so that your socks last longer, and you know how long it took you to knit them? You want them to last a while. So we love the jeans ball, and we love this yarn. We also have our pattern, and this month's pattern is Levi's sock. It's a fabulous cabled sock, and this pattern is really well written, really easy to follow, includes some charts. I personally love a chart, so I think that's super. And there is a printed pattern in every box, so that's great. And I did mention it has cables, so perfect time to use that tiny 8-inch needle for your cables, so that's perfect. We do have a sample of the sock here, and what I really want you to take notice of is, even though this yarn is variegated, you can see that the color variation does not interfere with your cables at all. Those cables completely stand out, and that's really important, because you don't want to spend all that time working on a cable pattern and then you can't see it because of your textured or your multicolored yarn. So this yarn is perfect to go with this pattern. Great choice. And the last thing, the thing that I love best that comes in every box, is every box includes a download code. The reason I love the download code is I love a printed pattern, but I usually lose my printed pattern sometimes before I finish making the project. So if you have a download code, which we provide, you simply go to Ravelry, you enter the download code that comes on your slip, and then the pattern is downloaded into your Ravelry library. And then if you make a mistake like I do and you lose the pattern, you simply go to your Ravelry library, you download another copy, easy peasy, you keep knitting, no problem. So I think this is probably my favorite thing that we include in the box, because it means that you won't lose your pattern, or you won't have access to your pattern. So there you have it, everybody. We've got the Levi sock, we've got the fabulous jeans ball yarn, amazing needle, candy, and a joke. What could be better? If you did not subscribe for this month's box and you want to receive a box, it's not too late. We do have a limited number of boxes that are available for purchase, and they are on the website, but it is a limited number. So if you want this box and you want that needle, get a box now. If you have not subscribed but you want to, you can do that too. It's not too late to subscribe for the July box. Same place, go to the website, makersmercantile.com, and you can get your June box. Or you can subscribe so that going forward, you have boxes coming to you. And maybe next time, you'll have your box, I'll have my box, and we can open the boxes together. So that's it, friends. Until next time, happy knitting.